Hello programmers, my name is Sara and today we're going to learn about dictionaries. So let's get started. By the end of this video, you will understand the meaning of mapping, understand what are dictionaries and their rules, understand the differences between lists and dictionaries, apply this concept into the Jupyter notebook. You will test your knowledge by taking a mini quiz. What are mappings? Mappings are a collection of objects that are stored by a key. What are dictionaries? Dictionaries are an order mapping for storing objects. Dictionaries is a key value. And also in dictionaries, use curly braces and colons to signify the key and their associated values. What are the differences between a list and a dictionaries? Dictionaries, objects retrieved by key name and they are unordered, while list, object retrieved by location and order sequence can be indexed or sized. Let's hop into our Jupyter notebook and explore more about dictionaries. A Jupyter notebook is where we code on. If you want to know more about them, click the link in the corner or click the link in the description box. So that's the Jupyter notebook. First we're going to start by creating a dictionary. So I'm going to name it as Animal Dictionary. Animal Dictionary, which is equal to, we're going to add curly braces, and I'm going to say a rat. So there is one rat. Then I'm going to say a dog. So a rat is a string here, as you can see. Let us say that there is 3 dogs. I'm going to run that. So now if I want to see how many rats are there, say animal. I want to see how many rats are there, so use brackets and say rats. Run that and that will get 1. Now I'm going to give you another example. Let us say that I went to an animal shop and there was a cat, a bird and a dog. A cat cost 70 and a bird cost 90 and the dog cost 120. So I will say prices, which is equal to curly braces, say a cat, 70, a bird, is 90 and a dog that is 120. So now I'm going to run that. And if I want to know what's the price of a cat, as we did, we're just going to say prices, brackets, cat. We'll get 70. If I want to know what's the price of a dog, I'm just going to say prices, brackets, dog. Gonna run that. I will get 120. So now also in a dictionary, we can add lists, strings, and integers. So let me show you an example. I'm going to create a dictionary. I'll name it as my dictionary, which is equal to curly braces. Let us say a girl. A girl, there is one girl we're going to say. Comma, and we're going to say boy. Now let us say that there is 3 boys. So these 3 numbers, we're going to put them in a list. So and let us say mom. Mom got a drink. Colin, drink. So now we're gonna run that. So now if I want to know how many boys are there, I'm just gonna say my dick boy. We're gonna run that. We'll get 1, 2, 3. Now if I want to know what did the mother got, so I'm just gonna say my dick mom. I'll get got a drink, but what if I want the input to be mom got and the output I want it to be drink? So I'm just gonna here put the brackets and right here got So the answer will be drink. So, and then if I want to make a letter an uppercase, so let me just create a dictionary. So I'm gonna name it as D is equal to ABC. I'm gonna add quotation marks. Can add quotation marks and say colon A, B, and C. As you can see, guys. So what if I want to make the C an uppercase? So we're gonna run that. And now to make a B an uppercase, we're gonna create a list and we're gonna name it as my list, which is equal to D A B C. I'm gonna run that. Now we're gonna say letter which is equal to my list and I want an indexing of 2. So indexing of 2, I will run that. And now we'll say letter dot upper. Letter dot upper. So now let me run that. We'll get C. Now to make it more easy than doing all these steps, we're just gonna say D, stand for dictionary, and then say ABC, and I wanted an indexing of 2, and then dot upper. We're gonna put parentheses and run that. We'll get C. So now I want also to discuss with you guys how to add a value to a dictionary. So I'm just gonna create a dictionary. I will say D is equal to, let's see, a pen that cost for like $2, you can say. Comma, and also a box that cost 5. As you guys can see, I'm gonna run that. And now if we said D, we'll get it. Now if I want to change, we said a pen is 2, but it's in numbers. What if I want to change it to values, to letters? So we're gonna say D box, we'll say, which is equal to 2. So now I'm gonna run it. Pen. We're gonna run that. Now if we said D, we'll get pen is 2. It's letters, not numbers. Now guys, the last thing I want to discuss with you guys is how to grab all the numbers, how to grab all the letter keys and values. So I'm just gonna copy this again. So I'll just write it again. D is equal to pen. We said which is equal to 2.00. And then we said a box that cost for 5. So say 5. Now we will run that. Now to get all the keys, we're just gonna say d.keys. And to get all the values, we're just gonna say d.values. d.value. value. We're gonna run that. And then we're gonna do d.items. So t.items, run that, and we get t.items. So okay guys, test your knowledge on dictionaries. Question 1. Dictionaries retain order and are a sequence. Is that true or false? Pause this video, think about the answer, and then when you are ready, unpause it again. Correct, the answer is false because dictionaries are an ordered sequence. Question 2. What do I type to get the number of values? d.values, t.items, or d.keys? Pause this video, think about the answers, and then when you are ready, unpause it again. Correct, the answer is d.values. Question 3. In a dictionary, can we add lists, strings, and integers? Is that true or false? Pause this video, think about the answer, and then when you are ready, unpause it again. Correct, the answer is true. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on to get notified every time we upload a new video, and bye guys, see you next time.